So after you've completed the first step, you can press mark as complete. Your progress is documented up here at the top of this thermometer. And then we can move on to the second step, which is your business plan. So this opens up a new chat window here where the AI will ask all the questions that you need to complete your business plan. You can also flip over to the instructions here and either just get started, read, or if you want to use the Inkie voice, then you toggle that on and off like that. I'm going to have to turn it off now because otherwise it will read everything out and it will get very confusing. So the business plan is all about finding out what your idea is, how you came up with it, who your ideal customers are, the products and services that you're going to offer, but also the quickest route to market. It will include how you're pricing your products, how you make any profit, the competition and what sets you aside from any of your competition, and your vision for the future. You can't say anything wrong. If you make a mistake, you can edit it or change it. The chat can do that for you, or you can go back later afterwards and go into the documents area and edit it there. You don't have to do it all in one go. You can do a bit today and come back to it later. But once you start digging in, I'm sure you'll really enjoy this part of the process. Just imagine that you are telling a really good friend about your idea, and together you can come up with the best possible business plan. I've already gone through this process and I've copied my results so that I can paste it into here and show you what happens next. So I'm just going to paste my response already into here. So this is the one that I've done earlier, and I copied and pasted it in. Please go ahead. So anytime that it says AI is thinking, it's just taking a moment to process. Putting together the business plan is quite extensive, so it does take a few minutes. You can come back to it later. So this business plan goes far beyond just getting an AI to help you write it. It goes into the deeper stuff, and it also can explain to you concepts so that if you have so if anyone asks you about any of these elements, you have all the information. Everything has come from you. It's popped out now. The business plan is there. You can obviously edit it. You can edit it by typing directly into it, or you can copy and paste it into a document. You can make it longer. When you've completed, you can just hit the done button, which will take you onto your next step.